I'll play a little tune for you. Okay, this is from a musical called Mary Poppins. Recognise that? The title of the song is such a long word, I can't even spell it. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. You might have heard that. Right, let me show you our first note that we're going to learn about today. It is this note. There it is. Just one note. Could be a circle, could be an oval, and it has a stem going up. This one's called a crotchet and it lasts for one count, just one. So if I had two of them, it would go 1, 2. If I have 3, 1, 2, 3. And if I have 4, that's what it would look like. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's called a beat. If you just keep clapping along with a piece of music, you're feeling the beat, aren't you? So, I am going to get my clarinet and play those 4 notes on the clarinet. So I have to put some fingers on the clarinet and just go just like that. I'm going to play a backing track and play my clarinet, and I'd like you to clap along with me. This is one of the first pieces that we would have done on the clarinet, and when we get back to school we'll do this one. So you just have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have to stop for 4. So that's why there's a gap here. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. You'll get the idea as I play the clarinet. Okay, so I've got to get my backing track ready to play. And we'll do it together. Are you ready? One, two, ready? Stop. Get that right? So we had to clap lots and lots of times. So put that clarinet down for a minute. I'm going to show you something else. This one. It's a bit of a squiggly sign. Anyone know what that means? If you're musical, you might know already. It's called a rest. In other words, it means don't play. So if we had 4 of those on the board, that would be what we've just clapped, wouldn't it? So we clapped 4 notes and then we rested and did nothing for 4. So that's what it means, do nothing. Now my challenge for you today is, could we make a pattern that's not the same as this? So maybe if I take 2 of these away and put 2 there, it's still counting 4, but I'm clapping the first 2 and then stopping on the next 2. So have a go, see if you know what that might go like if we kept repeating it over and over. Okay, so I think it would go 1, 2, rest, 1, 2, rest, rest, 1, 2, rest, rest. So that's quite a nice rhythm. So what I would like you to do is, on your paper, imagine this is your paper, you try and make your own pattern. It could be like this. That's another idea. And that would go clap, rest, clap, rest. There's all kinds of different ones you could do. If you want, you can do a longer pattern, but I think 4 is a good idea. Here's one with 3. I'm not going to give you all my ideas, so I will just leave up the 4. So if you'd like to pause this lesson and write out your idea for a pattern, and then we'll play the backing track again and you can clap your pattern to go with it instead of my pattern. I will play the clarinet and you do to try and do your pattern, okay? So I'm expecting some of you to pause and go and write your pattern. Right, let's hope we're all ready to have a go with your new pattern. Here we go. How did you get on? Did you manage it? Okay, so that's a really interesting way to enjoy music, isn't it? You're just clapping along and enjoying yourself. So your teacher will put a link that goes with this lesson of other pieces of music that you could listen to and try your rhythm with to see if you can make up a different pattern. Okay? I'm going to go back to my tune of Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious and see if you could clap along with that one. Maybe just keep it simple first with this one. So this time the piece goes really fast though, so it's supercalifragilistic. It's quite fast, so you've got to join me in clapping quite fast. If I count 1, 2, 3, 4 first, then you'll know the right speed, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. On. Did you manage it? Now, what do you notice about that tune? If we were clapping lots of crotchets, as they're called, one beats, how many did I play in a row before I actually stopped? Because I had to take a deep breath at the beginning and keep going. So I'll play just a little bit of it and you count how many of these crotchets do I play before I stop. Are you ready? I'll do it again. Something happens at the end. It kind of goes a bit slower, doesn't it? So let's see, how many crotchets can you count? All right, so the correct answer was 12. And then after the 12, it goes slowly. So next week we'll learn about those slower notes. And this tune, it just keeps doing the same thing. 12 really fast ones and then 2 slow ones after that, okay? So let me do the whole thing again. You see if you can do 12 claps. So 9, 10, 11, 12, then 2 slow ones. And it does that 4 times. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's quite tricky. So my challenge for you is, who can find out what those notes are that go a bit slower at the end? What do they look like and what are they called? I wonder. Some of you may do music already and you'll know. Some of you could look it up. I'll give you the answer next time, okay? Well, I've really enjoyed doing this time with you. I hope you remember all these things. And how about, to finish, we do the song that we started to do in class, which is Brad. Do you remember it with the clapping? It goes, hi, my name is Brad. All right? Let's see how much you can remember. If you notice, there are 2 claps in this song, aren't there? Hi, like that. So that's what you're clapping. But sometimes, if you remember, you only have 1 clap. So that's what might catch you out. I'll do it. You can always pause it and rewind it and do it again with me, okay? Hi, my name is Brad. I've got a sister. She really drives me mad. Fiddly-dum, fiddly-dee. If only she could be good, she'd be as nice as me. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Keep trying it and see if you can get it right. Next week I'll do the 2nd verse for you, okay? It's nice to see you, although I can't really see you, but it's nice to be with you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!